Managing a business requires efficient scheduling, payroll management, and seamless team communication, especially for small businesses and hourly workforce teams. Homebase is a powerful workforce management platform designed to help businesses streamline scheduling, track time and attendance, manage payroll, and enhance internal communication. Whether you're a restaurant owner, retail manager, or service business operator, Homebase provides an all in one solution to reduce administrative workload and improve workforce efficiency. In this tutorial, we'll explore Homebase effectively, covering its key features, benefits, and why it's an excellent choice for business owners. By the end, you'll understand how Homebase simplifies workforce management, helping you save time, reduce errors, and improve team productivity. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the smart employee scheduling. Homebase allows businesses to create, share, and manage work schedules effortlessly. Employees receive automatic updates on schedule changes via the mobile app, reducing confusion and last minute changes. This minimizes scheduling conflicts and saves time by automating shift planning. Another key feature is the time tracking and attendance. Employees can clock in and out using mobile, tablet, or desktop devices with built in GPS and geofencing. The system tracks overtime, breaks, and labor costs automatically. This eliminates manual timesheets and ensures accurate payroll processing. Another key feature is the payroll integration and processing. Homebase seamlessly integrates with popular payroll providers like Gusto, QuickBooks, and ADP. Businesses can process payroll directly within Homebase, ensuring automatic tax calculations and paycheck distribution. This saves time and reduces errors in payroll processing, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. Another key feature is the team communication and messaging. Built in chat and team messaging tools allow managers and employees to communicate instantly within the platform, making it easy to share updates, request shift changes, and discuss work related matters. This improves team coordination and reduces miscommunication between employees and managers. Another key feature is the HR and compliance tools. Homebase offers HR tools like new hire onboarding, labor law compliance tracking, and document storage to ensure businesses stay compliant with local and federal regulations. This reduces administrative burden by keeping HR documents organized and ensuring labor law compliance. Another key feature is the hiring and applicant tracking system. Homebase provides a built in hiring platform that allows businesses to post job listings, track applicants, and streamline the hiring process within the same system. This speeds up the hiring process and helps businesses find and onboard top talent quickly. Another key feature is the real time business insights. The platform provides detailed labor reports, payroll summaries, and attendance analytics, helping businesses make data driven workforce decisions. This allows managers to monitor labor costs, optimize scheduling, and increase profitability. So, why is Homebase a great choice? Homebase stands out as a comprehensive workforce management tool specifically designed for small and medium sized businesses that rely on hourly workers. Unlike traditional scheduling and payroll software, Homebase combines multiple workforce management functions into a single, easy to use platform. One of Homebase's biggest advantages is its user friendly interface and mobile accessibility, allowing managers and employees to access schedules, track time, and communicate in real time from anywhere. This feature is particularly valuable for restaurants, retail stores, healthcare services, and other industries that require flexible scheduling. Another major benefit is Homebase's built-in communication tools, eliminating the need for third-party messaging apps by allowing teams to collaborate and coordinate directly within the platform. This results in faster response times, improved shift management, and better team engagement. With its affordable pricing and free plan for small businesses, Homebase is an accessible and cost effective workforce management solution that simplifies scheduling, payroll, and team collaboration. So basically, Homebase is a powerful yet easy to use workforce management solution that helps businesses streamline scheduling, track employee hours, automate payroll, and improve team communication. Its all in one design, mobile accessibility, and seamless integrations make it a great choice for small businesses looking to improve workforce efficiency without adding extra administrative burden. So, by adopting Homebase, businesses can reduce scheduling errors, prevent payroll mistakes, and enhance team collaboration, ultimately leading to a more productive and engaged workforce. So, whether you're managing a small team or medium sized team or a scaling operations, Homebase will provide you the tools that you need to simplify workforce management in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.